Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we are going to develop a dice roll simulator. And why do we need this one? So when we play Snakes and Ladder or some other games, we use a dice to roll, right? So the same thing, we will try to simulate that in Python program. We can do it very easily in Python using a random library. So let's get started. So first thing first, let's import the random library because we are going to use this random library for generating the random number between 1 to 6. That means when user run this program, it has to give us that random number between 1 to 6. So before generating the number, let's show a simple menu to the user like option 1, roll the dice, or like option 2, exit the program. Okay, so because this program has to run continuously. So see, if two guys are playing Snakes and Ladder, the program has to be running always unless they close it, right? So that's why let's use a while loop with true. That means it's infinite loop. And after that, as I said, we will have this options. One like roll the dice. Okay. And maybe in the next line, we have like exit the program. Okay. So this is cool. After that, we will take that input from the user. Okay, we will take that input from the user, like choice, I will say input. And finally, we will have to do something like this. If choice is equal to 1, that means user wanted to dice it, right? I mean, roll the dice. Okay, so what we will do, we'll see that. And else, okay, if it is not 1, that means you want to close the program. So what we will do is we'll simply use break. Okay, so break will break this infinite loop. Now we need to write the logic here, okay, for generating the random number. Okay, so how do we generate a random number in Python? So using a random library, you just need to simply say random, okay, dot rand int, because we need an integer value. Okay, so and this rand int function will take two parameters as input. One, let's say something like 6. So what it will do is it will generate a random number between 1 and 6. Instead of if you give like 1 to 10, it will generate a random number between 1 and 2. And let's save this number in some variable like num variable, and you can print that out. So that's pretty much, guys, I mean, about this program. So let's run this program and see the output, how it is working. Okay, so we are getting the menu here, roll the dice. So choose option 1. See, we got the random number 2. Okay, and even let's try one more time. We got 5 this time, 4 this time, 8 this time, so on and so forth. Okay, so let's close the program because the dice we will have only 6. So let's give 6 here. And if you want to give like something like, I will use a f string to display it, something like your like random number. Okay, I will keep it in the goods. I hope you guys know about format strings. Okay, if you do not know, please mention, I mean, ask me in the doubts. I will try to make another video on these format strings, I mean the f strings. Okay, so that's pretty much, guys. Okay, so one more time, let's rerun this program. So whereas it's asking for the option, choose 1. So random number 4 we got, and next user has entered 1 again. So we got random 6 here, I mean random number 6, and so on and so forth. Okay, so this is how we can develop a simple dice roll simulator in Python. And if you have any doubts about this project or any other projects in our YouTube channel, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. and I will be sharing the source code links in the description. And please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I will meet you in the next video with another interesting Python project. Till then, take care.